Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically open up the Christmas chest. It's actually here. So you're just going to go from the middle straight here, and you can basically open up the Christmas chest. It has all of the advent calendar items that you have, as well as the Brat one. It's actually here. It's relocated here and here. So you have to open up the chest to get to it. Unfortunately, it's a little bit more tedious, but I mean, it's fine. At least we get more items, right? That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.